guys, okay, welcome back to the channel guys, welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode guys, okay, we will be changing out the wheel spacers. Alright, so off camera, okay, I actually did a 12mm, okay, all around the car, okay, on all four wheels, 12mm spacer, right, to bring the wheel, right, okay, a bit out, okay, so that it can actually match with the arc, right. And after seeing it for a while, I thought I should have gotten something wider. Okay, I mean 12mm is something conservative, right? Because for my wheels, right, I'm on 19-inch, so the front will be 245 and the rear will be 275. So I was thinking, you know, all the M cars and all this, they look so nice because they have the very wide stance. Okay, from the rear, right, when you see the car, right, it's very wide. So I was thinking, you know, why not get more spacers, okay, for the rear, okay, to make it wider, okay. And I'm going to test it on the front as well because the fronts are inside as well. And for today's episode, I have actually gotten the spacers. Yeah, so I actually gotten 20 mm, 20 milliliters, and this is quite thick. I mean, it's not those crazy wide body kit, you know, we're talking about 35, 40 mm, 20 mm, right? Okay, it's actually quite thick for me because I'm still on the original body kit, and we're gonna try to fit this on the rear, okay. And for mock-up, right, we'll be doing it on the front as well to see how it looks. Because I mean, the reason I bought two, right, is I'm worried that it might look too wide. You know, I mean, I want the flush look, okay, of the wheel and the fender. I mean, you guys know what I mean, right? Okay, and but the thing is, I do not want the, you know, the whole wheel that's poking out, okay, of the fender. Yeah, so I think it will look very oval, okay. And when it hits, right, okay, it actually will rub the tire, okay, and that's not something we want. So for today's episode, we'll be trying out the 20mm and taking out the 12mm. Alright, and for the 12mm, they are for sale. Yeah, I mean, as I'm buying parts, right, usually my wife will ask me, you know, why are you buying this and that and all this. You know, I've been thinking about reasons and all this. I mean, I've been thinking like, you know, like maybe it's a scam, you know, I didn't buy these parts, they just pop up to the door. You know, I mean I've been thinking, but I mean, I can still buy, okay, but the thing is, if the parts are piling up, okay, in the store and all this, I mean, you know lah, they'll just scream and shout and all this, and you know, so lightly use 12mm spacers. Alright, so for those of you who are new, okay, please like and subscribe. We have a lot of videos like this coming up. Alright, so without further ado, I'm going to show you how I swap this out. So let's go! so guys, okay, as you can see, my hands are super dirty, okay, and the 20mm spacer, right, actually looks brilliant. Okay, it looks beautiful, okay, on the front tires and the rear tires, okay, the rear rims, right, and you know, the flush look, okay, which is really nice. You know, give the whole look, you know, of the fender and the wheel being flush and all this, which is very nice. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like this, please smash the like button. For those of you who are looking for a 12mm spacer, if your wheels are kind of big already, you want it to come out a bit more, right, do contact me. Okay, I have the 12mm spacers, okay, and I'll be providing the service as well. Alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy mounting your car. Bye.